Okay, today we're gonna go see some monkeys up there at that hill. It's just like 15-minute drive to the monkeys. Right up there are the monkeys. That's just 10 minutes from my house. There we go. Monkeys don't venture far from the mountain. Watch out, dog. Come on. Back. Let's see when the first monkey will be. Look, there's our first monkey of the day. Look at this guy, he's just walking right next to him. We don't want to park near the monkeys. Alright, we're going to go to viewpoint 2. Beware monkeys snatching your purses, including destroying your cars and motorcycles. Wake up! Look at this doggy. Come. Hi, buddy. Hi. It's called viewpoint number 2. This is the spot that you can see from my house. Look at all these cocks. A lot of cocks. And they're all males too. Look, and they're not even fighting, huh? You guys aren't fun. Looks pretty safe because there's only a cock in my way. I don't think he would be there if there was monkeys here, but you never know. They might be buddies. Hi, buddy. I should have a stick right now. I don't know. I'm pretty flipping crazy. I gotta look for a stick before I get up here. Oh, big lizard. Look at that sucker. He's about a foot long. Hey, buddy. All right. Let's see. Wow. Beautiful. And right over there is another monkey mountain. It might be too warm for them up here. So there's that tower you can see from my house. I don't see any monkeys up here. I'm coming to the edge because I know I can see my house. Let's see. Hotel, and then my house is just a little bit to the right of that. Let me turn this off and show you on my phone. My phone has a better zoom. The phone. Oh, where'd it go? There's a green hotel, and then my house is right there. maybe we'll go to this other temple, another 10 minutes away, and check out some more over there too. I want to go where the monkeys are. And they're normally hanging out up here. I'm a little sad. But last time I came, it was more at sunset. So maybe it was just cooler for them. Yeah, that was a nice little walk. I see a monkey. They're heading toward my car. I better get over there. Because they like to chew up your windshield wipers, like a car antenna. I don't know if you can see him. He's climbing on that wire. He's gonna get electrocuted. Alright, back to the cocks. Oh, look. Yeah, I got 4 monkeys by my car. It's time to go. Look, they're all going to my car. Oh, shoot. Get away from my car. Look at these guys. You better stay away from my car, buddy. Nope. Good. Show me teeth. Get away from my car. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye. I don't like to see monkey teeth. Get away from the car. You guys finished? Huh? Look at, we got 5, 6 more coming. Seven, 8, 9, 10. Oh shit. Man, they're all coming. Man, how many more are coming? I think they know cars are here and they're gonna see if someone's gonna feed them bananas. I wouldn't leave your helmet. I wouldn't leave your helmet. Because the monkeys are gonna.
They're gonna get what?
Oh, they'll eat the straps. Like a monkey chewed up my seat one time. Really? Yeah. They like to eat like windshield wipers and. Yeah. You know, you could look at the sign. The sign will tell you everything. They like to destroy cars and motorcycles. Where are they all going?
for you.
Good luck.
Yeah. We'll pray.
That's right. What are you eating? Alright, we're gonna go down the street and see if we can find any more. Oh, look at this little guy. He got baby under him. Hey, mommy. Oh. The monkeys keep coming, dude. Just get away from my car. Stay away from my car. Look at. They keep coming. Holy shit. I know I have one in a tree right behind me too. Where'd he go? There he is. But I'm trying to watch this. I'm trying to watch my car. I could set off the alarm real quick. Get off. Oh, look at the goat. I left the hiking trail just in time to see this troop go by. Boy, and they're coming. Hey. At least they're not messing with my car yet. Two of them on the tree that's behind me. I don't like that. There's that fence where they keep coming. See, he's on that car. I hear someone crying. Get away. Man, they keep coming. These monkeys are scary, man. They'll send you straight to the hospital. They'll send you straight to the hospital. Look at these guys behind me. Little motherfuckers. Yeah, we're talking to you. I'm rolling my window up. I ain't getting scratched or bitten. No way. I kind of hope they go over and fuck with that guy's motorbike. Because I warned him. What are you doing? Some coke? What are you doing? Where do you find that big bag of powder? Huh? What do you got there? Oh, I know you're quick. I ain't fucking trusting you. Yeah, they were messing with them. These guys will get you. Okay, here's the name. Henlik Farm. You seen like 100 already passed me coming up the hill. And I'll show you down here. I guarantee there'll be a lot. We'll go check out. That's not even like, not even half the population on this mountain. There must be 1,000 monkeys on this mountain, in this troop. Okay, this is the rest of the monkeys. They like to sit on this road. People come and feed them. People like to come and feed these guys, even though it clearly says, do not feed the monkeys. And these monkeys will sit here on this fence, or this street, pretty much only on this side of the street. They don't come over here. They know better. Well, most of them know better. They only know better because they got hit in the head by a slingshot. Pizza Hut.